What's up, YouTube? This is Barrel452 coming at you with Flesh and Blood. I decided to ditch opening up a single pack a day because I got 2 boxes, and instead open it all up. Because I want to build some decks, hang out with some of my friends, and I want to get into that. So without further ado, here we go. This is the token, and I got a Shadow Runeblade hero. So that is going to be, now I got 2 possibilities of decks, and that is a young hero, so that's the 20 health. Let's see, oh, Steepler shot me. That's not good. I will address that later. We got Smash with Big Tree, Rifted Torment, Hungering Slaughter Beast, War-Tune Herald, Gulfing Light, Heroes of Surreality, Void Wrath, Blood Tribute, Pound for Pound, Stony Watson Hog, Brandish, Tome of Divinity. Oh, that is a mythic rare, I think. I believe I shared with a friend some different rarities for cards. So foil and that is very good. So you're gonna get a Shrieve treatment. You go there. Can we see that? Yes, we can. And these are gonna be the rares. So pretty good. I believe the ones I'd be looking for are F. That's 1 out of every 900 to 1,000 packs or so. So I'm not gonna hold my breath to get one, but I will be excited if I do get one. Soul Shackle, another token, Runeblade token. Let us throw that here. Here we organize things. Oh, something's running. Let me pause. Alright, bear with me. Hungering Slaughter Beast, Rip Through Reality, Dread Screamer, Take Flight, Herald of Protection, Second Swing, Yinti Yanti, Zealous Biting, Impenetrable Belief, Pound for Pound, Eclipse Existence, Glisten, which is a regular rare foil, Stubby Hammers, and then Pulping, and another round. So maybe that's not as rare as I think. I'm going to still separate these up. I'm gonna have to look that up. I thought I hit pause on something. Let me go back. And there we go. Let us continue. Nope. We are having here a failure. Token Levia, it's like another young hero. So I'll figure out how these packs go. Seeds of Agony, Dread Screamer, Rip Through Reality, another one, Second Swing, Herald of Rebirth, Express Lightning, Spew Shadow, which is Shadow Action, Minnowism, Belittle, Brandish, Rally the Rearguard, Piercing Shadow of Eyes, Ironhide Gauntlet, Vexing Malice, and Howl from the Beyond. So those are rares. That is a common, so I'm going to throw common foil down here. Or actually, I'll throw it over there. The old set. So right now I got 2 heroes for 2 blitz decks. I'll have to look up the rules later for how to form a deck. Soul Shackle, that's the token. Galaxy Black, Shadow Runeblade weapon, 2-hand. So I believe as one of the two heroes. So, oh, that's good. Bounding Demagon, Smash a Big Tree, Piercing Shadow of Ice, Courageous Steel Hand, Spears of Surreality, I'll figure it out. Cross the Line, Memorial Ground, Stony Wattenhog, Yinti Yanti, again, Seek Enlightenment, Overload, Luminaris, that's another M. I'll have to figure it out. Dreamweavers, Glisten, and Vexing Malice. So the M's are at least better. I think the Light Illusionist is the new hero in this set, which is what I'm hoping to get. I believe you just need one to be able to play. Iris, Realty, Prism, that's the one I was looking for. The full hero, not the young hero, but I think that's the Light Illusionist. Yes, that's the card I was hoping for. So we're good. Deadwood Rumbler, Riftbind, Unworldly Bellow, Herald of Tenacity, Courageous Steel Hand, Herald Protection, Rally Railguard, Belittle, Spill Shadow, Blood Tribute, Memorial Ground, Smash with Big Tree, Ironhide Legs, Unhallowed Rites, and Tremor Earth Ethereal. That's also a common. So, Spectral Shield token gives me Iris of Reality, Illusionist Weapon. Okay. We got Dread Screamer. I believe I pulled these already. So I'm just going to kind of go Enigma Chimera, Express Lightning, Menace Wind, Void Wrath, Impenetrable Belief, Ghostly Visit, Unworldly Bellow, Ironheart Gauntlet, Dustpath Pilgrimage, and Vexing Malice. Getting plenty of those, and those are Runeblade actions. So, I believe I don't have that character. I'm going to have to probably visit an older set, Arcana, I think. Although the first set, I think, is still the more popular one. Welcome to Wrath, Spectral Shield, Soul Shackle. Let's see. Engulfing Light, Illuminate, Minnowism, Zealous Biting, Belting, Overload, jeez. Searching Militia, Herald of Ravages, Ironhide Plate, Out Muscle, and Bolting Blade. Although I'm not sure why I'm sleeving up all of these cards. They're unlimited, so first edition printing of these is probably going to be the best you can get. Oh, another Prism. That's what I'm looking for. Full hero. So that's the one I was looking for making a real deck. So got one to make, so that's good. Only 48 packs to go to actually find out if I have enough to make anything else. Vexing Malice, Foil, Trojan Blade, Endless Maw, and Herald of Triumph. Force deck players. Token, Spectral Shield, Hatchet of the Mind, or Hatchet of the Mind. That's a warrior equip. So, I have to figure out the best equipment I got for the characters in this one. Let's see what we get. Alright, Belittle, Time Skippers, Rise Above, and Hell from Beyond. I think after I open this box up, I'm gonna make what I can. Levia. Do I have the full Levia? So I'm gonna have a Shadow Brute deck and a light deck. Interesting. I was actually looking at those two for blitzes, but I don't have to worry about that anymore. Shadow Attack, Writhing Beast Hulk, and Dimensional Crossroads. But there's 4 heroes in the set, so there's 2 more I can technically get. Hatchet of Body, and Bolton. So there's one of the young heroes, the other one. Heaven Field, Ironhide, Dimensional Gateway, and Writhing Beast Hulk. Right. Well, commons I'm not going to worry about sleeping up at this point. Shane is the other one. Oh, look, so I got 3 heroes now. Cool. Void Wraith, Aether Ironweave, Dimensional Gateway, and Dimensional Gateway. So see, here's an example. 2 cards, different cost. Option 2, option 3, top 3 cards, top 2 cards, reveal the top card of your deck. Runeblade card, deal 1 arcane damage opposing your shadow card, you may banish it. And go again. So that gives you another action to go. So give it slightly more powerful when you're paying more for it, which is interesting. And I believe as long as you have different iterations of the card, you can have multiple copies of it in your decks. So if you had multiples of those cards, you could use multiples or more than what's there. Go to the foil. What do we got? Hungering Slaughter Beast. Common. Rare. Okay. Tried changing possessions on my table for when I open cards, so now I'm on the left side instead of the right side. I will say I miss having the recycling bin right next to me, because I have to go around the wall to the left for tossing things out, and I could definitely tell I'm missing. Spew, Shadow, Aether Ironweave, and then Captain's Call and Shadow of Blasphemous. Oh, there's no token card in that. Oh, there's a token, but it's not double-sided. Okay. Unhallowed Rites, which is a rare. Common, Sleeping Shadows, and Rise Above. So far, I got 2 M's that I put into sleeves. Ravenous Meat Axe. See, the artwork's kind of cool. The set's also specifically designed for older players. Shadow Runeblade, Gallantry Gold, Outmuscle, and Tome of Torment. So, just to show you, definitely says on there age 16 plus. Which to me, I was looking forward to MetaZoo as another card game. Although, with the hype surrounding that set, I kind of lost a little bit of interest. Alright, we got a Bolton, so maybe I got the other side. Yep. Alright, I got the full hero, so that's good. So, I think I can make all 4 decks now. If I have enough cards. Rare, okay. Light Illusionist Aura, which is... I'm not sure what character that would work with. another one. Single-sided token. What do we get? Cracked Bobble. So 30 card minimum deck, so that's illegal. So that's why you add that to your deck if you can't make a legal card. Which, if you're buying a booster box of a set, I don't understand why they would give you a card to make up space in a deck. I mean, I know because you have to match up a lot of cards, but then you have generic cards so you can fluff out your deck further. I find that interesting too. Another Bolton and his warrior weapon on the other side. I guess because he's a light warrior, you can use warrior weapons too. But again, I'm going to break it apart so I can go by what's in there. Rares. Okay. Illusionist and warrior. Overload, ebb and fold, rare, and M. So we're gonna do a couple packs left. Alright, I'm gonna throw this over there with the cracked open ones. Token, Shadow Runeblade Weapon, and Shane. So that's the gear equipment. Void Wrath, Aether Weave, Tremor of Ethereal, and Endless Maul. Yeah. Ma. Here's the reality. Illusionist Weapon, and there's Prism again. Okay. What is the last foil again? Convulsion from the Bellows of Hell, another rare. Okay, rare mono. Okay. So here's commons, rares, M's. And then in the last set, we had commons, a rare. Alright. So I'm going to break everything apart, figure out what decks I can make of these new classes and characters, and then we shall go from there. Try and make something and see if I can play something with to show you guys. Alright, catch you later. Have a go. Bye.